Look at the whole lot of letters given to you. Now, here you have animals to find. You like to find hidden animals in this puzzle? Let's do it together. Let's go to the first row and see which animal is hiding over there. Now, see, first row we have C-A-T-H, C-T. Can you find any other animal? C-A-T-H-C-T. Good, you find a little cat, pussycat hiding there. Spell C-A-T, cat. Good, take a pencil and circle it out. In the first row, we found a cat, a pussycat. Good, let's go to the next row. B-C-A-O-O-L. Any animal? B-C-A-O-O-L. Now, okay, now let's go to the third row and see which animal is hiding there. D-O-G-R-W-I. Look again. D-O-G-R-W-I. Can you find any animal? Yes, somebody's barking over there. Dog. Good. D-O-G, dog. So we take a pencil and circle it out. Dog. A cat here and a dog over here. Let's go down. A-A-I-S-O-O. Any animal here? A-A-I-S-O? No. Let's go down. Let's find another animal. P-I-G-E-L-N. Look. P-I-G-E-L-N. Can you find any animal here? Yes, who's got a tiny little curly tail? Hoing, hoing, he goes about. Good, you found a little pig here. Spell P-I-G, pig. Little pig is here. Got a tiny little tail that curls about. Yes? Good. So we found a cat, a dog and a pig. Let's go down and see if we can find any animal hiding over there. Let's see. G-O-A-T-F-B. Look again. G-O-A-T-F-B. Any animal hiding here? Yes? Good. What is that? Goat. Very good. Spell goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Where do you find the goat? In the farm. Yes. Now, look at all the animals we found. Cat, dog, pig and a goat. Good. Shall we find some more? Let's look out. Let's begin here. C, B, D, A, P, G. Can we find any animal here? C, B, D, A, P, G. Okay, let's go to the next row. A, C, O, A, I, O. Can you find any animal? Okay, let's go to the next one. T, A, G, I, G, A. T, A, G, I, G, A. Any animal? Okay, let's go to the next one. H, O, R, S, E, T. H, O, R, S, E, T. Can you find any animal over here? You go for a pony ride. What is that? Good. Horse. Very good. H, O, R, S, E. Horse. Let's circle it out. Horse. Like to go for a horse ride? Good. So we found a little horse here. H, O, R, S, E. Horse. Let's go to the next row. C, O, W, O, L, F. C, O, W, O, L, F. Can you find an animal hiding over there? Who is hiding there? Who says moo? Good, cow. The cow says Moo. C-O-W, cow. And we circle that out. Very good. Horse, cow. Let's look at all the animals we found. First, we found a cat, a dog, a pig, and a goat. Yes? Cat, dog, pig, goat. Then, what else did we find? Horse, cow. Yes? Horse, cow. Now, look some more. O-W-O-L-F. The cunning animal in the forest. Can you find anybody cunning? Yes? Yes, the bad wolf, correct. W-O-L-F. The big bad wolf who tricked Cinderella. Yes. Good. W-O-L-F. The Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood with the red hood. She was fooled by this bad wolf. Took her by the wrong way. Yes, remember, spell wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf. So in this row we have a cow and we have a wolf too. Finally, what is the animal here? Let's see. T-L-I-O-N-B. A wild animal. There's a wild animal over here. Yes? What is that? L? Good. I-O-N. Lion. King of the jungle. Come on. Spell L-I-O-N. Lion. We circle it. Look, we found a lot of animals. Yes. Here we found a horse, a cow, a wolf, and finally a lion. Look at the number of animals you found in the puzzle. Let's read them all. Cat, dog, pig, goat, horse, cow, wolf, lion. Very good. Are you enjoying the exercise? You're learning to spell, you're learning to read, and you're learning to identify words, animals. Yes, it's a very interesting exercise. Shall we go to another exercise, children? Here we are. Let's take some more letters. Wow, look at all this. This time, we're going to find some birds. Shall we? Look, let's look for birds. Think of all the names of birds you know. Birds starting with whatever letters. Let's go to the first row. We have, let's look at all the letters. C, R, O, W, O, T. C-R-O-W-O-T. Can you think of any animal, any bird over here? The bird that comes to your house, comes to the window and say, caw. What are you doing? The crow asks. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. The little bird that comes to you early in the morning. Crow. Now we circle it out. Spell crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Very good. What does the crow say? Caw. Good. Let's take the next row and see whether we can find a bird. B-O-A-O-N-L. Any bird by that name? B-O-A-O-N-L. Now, let's take the next row. D-B-D-U-C-K. Can you find an animal here? D-B-D-U-C-K. Which little bird goes about saying quack, quack, quack? Good, duck. So we take a pencil and circle it. D-U-C-K, duck. Where do you find duck? In the pond. And she goes about saying quack, 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 quack. So we found a crow and we found a duck. Good. Let's go down and see whether we can find some more birds. P-I-G-E-O-N. Any bird? Think in your mind. P-I-G-E-O-N. N. Any bird by that name? Yes. What is that? Pigeon. Very good. Spell pigeon. 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 We take a pencil and circle it out. We found a crow, a duck, a pigeon. Let's look out for more birds. Let's go down here. Penfeln. Penfeln. Any bird by that name? No. Let's look at the last row now. Parrot. Think of all the birds starting with P. Parrot. Good, the colorful little green bird that can talk. Some of them can talk. Parrot. 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 The green bird that goes screeching about near your window. Parrot. Spell parrot. 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 Because you can read and spell, you identified crow, duck, pigeon, and a parrot. Let's look out for more. Shall we? Good. CBDPP. Any bird? No. Let's go here. ROBINA. Look out for birds with starting with R. ROBIN. What is that? Robin. 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 So you found another bird. Robin. Let's go to the next row. OADGFR. Any bird? OADGEFR? No. Let's go to the next one. WOUEER. WOUEER. Any bird? No. Let's go to the next row. ONCCLO. ONCOLO. Any bird? Let's look out for the last row. Let's see what are they. TLKNNT. Any bird? No. Now let's look at all the birds we have found so far. Crow, duck, pigeon, parrot, and robin. Crow, duck, pigeon, parrot, and robin. 5 birds we found in the word puzzle. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good. Shall we go to another exercise? Yes. Lovely. Look at all the letters we have here. Now, this puzzle, you're going to find parts on your face. You know to find? Yes. Now, let's look at all the letters. Keep in mind the parts on your head. Look. EYESMT. Can you find any part? EYESMT. What can you find? What are you looking at? How do you see? Good. Eyes. Excellent. EYES. Eyes. You see with your eyes. You look with your eyes. You take a pencil and you circle it. So we found the first part on your head, and that is the eyes. Fixed. You can see. Good. Let's go to the next row. BOAOOE. Any word? BOAOE. Nothing. Good. Let's go down and find for ourselves. NOREUE. NOREUE. Anything? No part. NOSETT. NOSETT. H-E-T-T. Can you find any word? How do you smell? Good. You smell with your nose. N-O-S-E, nose. We take a pencil and circle it out. Nose is another part. So you found eyes and you found nose. Very good. Let's go down. P-N-F-E double H. Anything? P-N-F-E double H. Nothing. Let's go right down and see what is there. P-A-H-E-A-D. P-A-H-E-A-D. Can you find a word here? Can you find a word? Yes? Good. H-E-A-D. Head. Good. H-E-A-D. Head. So we take a pencil and circle. Look at all the words you have found. Head, nose and eyes. Now, let's look at some more words, shall we? E-B-N-N-P-P. Can you find any part? No. E-B-N-N-P-P. Good. Nothing. Let's go to the next row. Y-O-O-O-N-A. Y-O-O-N-A. Nothing. Let's go to the next row. E-A-R-S-F. E-A-R-S. What is that? How do you hear? With your ears. Good. E-A-R-S. Ears. Good. So you found you see with your eyes, you smell with your nose, you shake your head, and now you hear with your ears. Let's look out for some more words, shall we? Good. S-O-E-E-E. No word, no part. Okay, next. M-O-U-T-H. What is that? M-O-U-T-H. How do you eat? Where you take the food and put it into? Mouth. Very good. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. So you take a pencil, circle it out. So you found ears, mouth. There's last row left. Let's see what is there. T-E-E-T-H. What is that? How do you bite? I give you a piece of carrot. How do you? You bite with your teeth. Spell teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Look at the number of words you found. Let's look at all of them. Eyes. You see with your eyes. You smell with your nose. You shake your head and say, yes, I know. Ears. You hear with your ears. You take food and put in your mouth. Finally, you bite with your teeth. Very good. Did you enjoy this exercise? Good.